welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are keeping well. If you have watched the sneak peek from the last video upload, which I'll link it up here, you will know we are unboxing this package from Celine, Italy. It's an online purchase and also online exclusive. I was browsing the website casually and I saw this item. I quickly checked with my local SA about this and he confirmed that this is an online exclusive item. I hope you are looking forward to it as much as I am, and I just can't wait to unbox it with you. It comes in this iconic Celine packaging in this beautiful Celine box. Let me put this away. That's the inside. Come wrapped in a black tissue. And there you go. It's here. One is the receipt. This is the thank you card. Thank you for shopping on Celine.com. We hope you enjoy your purchase and look forward to seeing you again soon. This is the product tag. It says made in Italy. I knew in my heart that I need to quickly cut it out. Yeah, I'm pretty happy to have scored this actually. One is the return procedure. It says if you wish to return an item within 14 calendar days from the date of delivery. So just FYI. Oh, this is interesting. Don't call me cheesy because I actually wrote a gifting message to myself. It says, congrats on your achievement. Well, everybody needs a pat on the shoulder every now and then. This purchase is actually to celebrate and reward myself for achieving one of the career goals this year. Are you ready? Look at her! So it's the Triomphe canvas large cosmetic pouch. Comes with the leather trimming here, the branding. It's nothing too complicated. It's just one compartment. And this bit here is leather. It's a very thoughtful one because I think it prevents stuff from falling out of the clutch. It has a huge base here. And I got this for $830, I believe. The Dior 30 Montaigne costs $1,000 each for that, and I think the capacity is not as huge as this one. Dior 30 Montaigne, which is the one I actually wanted in oblique jacquard, that requires higher maintenance. You just need to baby the back a little, whereas this one, it's easier and low on maintenance. You don't have to baby it too much. Don't have to worry about stains, scratches. It's perfect. And I'm sure you'll be interested to see what it fits. So let's get straight to it. I've stuffed the bag with cosmetics and skincare here. This will give you a gauge how much it can hold, and you could actually see pockets of space around still. I think this one is a great option if you want to use it as a travel pouch or even as a clutch because of the capacity and how much it can hold. I like the versatility of this bag, so now I'm gonna use this Bimba and Lola toiletry bag as a bag organizer just to keep my things in place while using this as a clutch. I hope that helps to give you another view of how you can use this bag. Let me know what you think. If you like this cosmetic pouch, how would you use it? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell for new uploads. Come follow me on my Instagram for fashion, beauty, event posting, mini unboxing, etc. Come over and say hello. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.